Hi, I'm Pragadish and this is my CS50 final project. This is Ticket Cloud, which is an online-based ticketing solution for companies where the users and support executives of that company can create tickets and manage it. So let's get started with my project. This is the homepage of Ticket Cloud, which just gives a general overview of the website. And to get started with working with this ticketing system, the admin of the company can sign up here, providing all the necessary details. So I'll create one now. After signing up, we'll be redirected to an admin panel where all the details about the admin are listed and also the statistics of the tickets are listed. The admin panel also comes with other features like adding users and adding support executives to the company. And the admin also can view the support panel, which consists of all the tickets that were generated so far. So let me add some users to the company. The admin can either input all the data of each individual person by filling out this form here, or if it's time consuming, they can just simply upload a CSV file. So I'll upload one now. After uploading, we can see that the table has been updated with all the users. So later each user can log in into Ticket Cloud with this username and the password given by the admin. So similarly, I will add some support executives too. Now the support executives have been added. Let's view the support panel, and it is empty now because no tickets have been generated yet. So I'll log out and sign in again as a user and create a couple of tickets. After signing in as a user, we can see that we can see the ticket panel here. The ticket panel consists of all the tickets that were generated by the user, and the user can also create new tickets by clicking the add new ticket button. The ticket can be created with different types and different priorities. The priorities tells the support executive how much time they have to close the ticket. So for example, if the priority is P2, the support executive has to close the ticket within a day. So I'll create a ticket now. After submitting the form, we can see that a ticket has been generated successfully, and the ticket also has an indicator light which indicates the status of the ticket. So it's not assigned yet. So when the ticket is open, the light will change to green, and when it's closed, it will change to red. To view more info, let's click here, and it will show all the information about the ticket, including the ID and status and assigned to. The status and assigned to will get updated live when the support executive changes the status and assigns the ticket to some other executive. This ID is unique to each ticket and gets auto-incremented based on the type of the ticket. The ticket panel also has a history tab where the users can view all the tickets that were created by them. They can also search for tickets by ID or by the date of creation. So I'll log out now and log in again as a support executive. After signing in as a support executive, we can view the support panel, and it lists all the tickets that were created. And it also has filtering options where we can view the tickets that were created in the past 24 hours, and also has a pagination feature for easy access. So by clicking the more info button, we can interact with the ticket. We can assign it to a particular support executive, and it gets updated here. And we can also change the status, and the status gets updated here, and also the user gets notified by email that the ticket has been initiated. So let's the executive can also send email from within this dashboard for any particular reason. So the support panel also has a history tab with similar features, and that's it for the demo. Thanks for watching.